Canva's Magic Edit Eraser tool allows you to easily add, replace, or erase any unwanted items in your photos.
With Magic Edit, you can simply brush over the area of a photo that you want to change, describe what you want, and it will automatically be added to your design. And with Magic Eraser, you can brush over unwanted items or distractions and they'll instantly be removed. Using artificial intelligence, this powerful tool can take your photo editing to the next level. So let's head over to Canva and go over how to enhance our photos using Magic Edit Eraser. So the first thing we need to do is open up a Canva project. For this example, let's go up to the Create a Design button at the top right, and let's select to create a Facebook post. This should open up the Canva editor. So in order to use Magic Edit Eraser, we'll first have to add a photo to our project. If you like, you could browse the thousands of photos in the Canva library, but for my design, I'm gonna upload my own. To upload an image from my device, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and click the Uploads tab. Here's where you can view all the images that you've previously uploaded to Canva. To upload a new image, let's go up to the Upload Files button. From here, you can find and open up the image that you want to use. Once the image finishes uploading, simply click it to add it to your project. Let's make it a bit bigger so we can get a better look. So here's a photo of a guy walking his dog wearing my Quantum Designs t-shirt. This is a cool looking photo, but let's say I want my brand to have a more aggressive style and I want to replace the dog with a tiger. Normally this would be hard to do and you would need some pretty good Photoshop skills, but not anymore with Magic Edit. So to use Magic Edit, go ahead and start by selecting your image. You'll then see the image toolbar appear at the top. Go ahead and click on Edit Photo. This will open up the photo editing menu on the left-hand side. In the Tools section, you should see an icon that says Magic Edit. Let's click that now. And here's where you can use Magic Edit and the power of AI to replace items in your photo. So now let's go over how to use Magic Edit to replace the dog in my photo with a tiger. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see the Magic Edit menu. Here's where you'll find 3 steps to replace the item in your image, which includes brushing over the image you want to replace, describing what you want to generate, then selecting a result. So in order to replace my dog, I'll first need to use the brush tool. To adjust the size of your brush, you can use the slider bar here. After selecting my brush size, I can now brush over the dog in my photo. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to brush over only the item that you want to replace. There we go. I think that'll work. Once you've covered your item, go back over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Continue. This will take us to step 2 where we can describe what we want Magic Edit to generate in the brushed area. Simply describe what you want, and Magic Edit will use the power of AI to generate it. Feel free to get as detailed as you want, but in the text field, I'm simply going to type a tiger. Once you describe what you want to add, go down to the bottom and click on Continue. The Magic Edit AI will then read your description and start generating images that you can select from. And voila! The dog in my photo has now been replaced with a tiger. Well, since it's the same size the dog was, we can probably say it's a tiger cub. But not only does the AI provide us with the first image here, but also several other images that it generated as well. To try out some of the other results, simply click it to add it to your photo. As you can see, not only was the dog replaced, but the background and the foreground are still there as well. It still looks like the trees are behind my tiger, and the bushes and other shrubbery are in front. Instead of spending hours editing, Magic Edit can replace items in your photo in a few clicks. But let's say I can't find a tiger that I like in my results. In this case, I can simply go down to the bottom here and click the Generate New Results button. And the Magic Edit AI will then generate new results for me to select from. So once you select the image you want to use, go down to the bottom and click on Done. So here's my updated photo with the guy now walking by a tiger cub. As you can see, Magic Edit works great for replacing items in your photos. So now let's go over another example and upload a new photo to try with Magic Edit. In this photo, the girl is reading a book while drinking a coffee. But for this example, I want to see if I can replace the coffee mug with a mug of beer. So to do this, let's access Magic Edit by selecting our image, then going up to the toolbar and clicking Edit Photo. And from the Tools section on the left-hand side, let's click on Magic Edit. I can now select my brush size, then brush over the coffee mug. Once you're finished, go ahead and click Continue. I can now describe what I want to replace my coffee mug with. So in the text field, let's type in a mug of beer. Now that I've described my object, let's click on Generate. And Magic Edit will then display my AI generated mugs of beer. Keep in mind, the items are generated by artificial intelligence, so they may not always be perfect. But as you can see, these actually work pretty good. The coffee mug has been replaced with a mug of beer, and you can still see all the items like the table and the floor clearly behind it. All the edges are clean cut, and it really looks like she's holding a mug of beer. So for this example, let's go with this mug here. Once you've selected the image you want to use, you can then go down and click on Done. And there we have it. The girl is now enjoying a nice cold beer while reading her book. Magic Edit is definitely a cool tool, and I recommend you try it out and see what all it can do. But not only can we replace items in our photo using Magic Edit, but now we can also erase items using Magic Eraser. With Magic Eraser, we can cleanly remove items from our photos, making it look like it was never even there. So for this example, let's go back to the photo of the guy walking the dog. This time, instead of replacing the dog with the tiger, we're going to remove the dog using Magic Eraser. So to access Magic Eraser, let's select the photo, then from the top toolbar, click on the Edit Photo tab. From the menu on the left-hand side, we're going to go to the Tools section and select Magic Eraser. But keep in mind, in order to use Magic Eraser, you're going to need a Canva Pro account. To access Magic Eraser and all the other awesome tools and features available on Canva, make sure you head over to jasongandy.info or simply click the link in the video description to unlock your free trial of Canva Pro. So now that you've unlocked Canva Pro, let's click on Magic Eraser. This will open up a new menu where you can select the Magic Eraser brush size. Simply use the slider bar here and select the appropriate size for the item in your photo. You can then simply brush over the item that you want to remove. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to get it as close as possible. And once you finish brushing your item, the AI will then automatically start removing your object. And voila! The dog in the photo has been completely removed. Not only does Magic Eraser remove the object, but it also fills in the background where the object was as well. As we can see, the leaves and shrubbery in the front still look natural, and so does the background where the object was as well. With Magic Edit and Eraser, you can really do some cool stuff with your photos and take your design skills to the next level. So that's a quick overview of how to use Canva's new Magic Edit and Magic Eraser tools. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.